Take number 3. Hello, viewer. How are you today? My name is Brianna.
Hi, people. I'm Dakota.
And we are doing the rubber band versus pumpkin challenge.
Yeah, you remembered it for one.
Pretty much all you do is, it's similar to the rubber band versus watermelon challenge. Take rubber bands and you just put it in the middle of the pumpkin. And after you put so many rubber bands on, the top will like shoot off. Or it's supposed to shoot off.
Unlike the people in Tom and Jerry that always aggravated you. You can never see their faces.
Okay, can you put your face down? You're aggravating me now.
I'm lazy.
Well, why don't we get this started?
We're awkwarder than ever.
Yeah.
Woo!
So this is our like 3rd time doing this because the first time we did it, it worked perfectly fine. Well, each time we did it, it's worked. But the first time I didn't get it on video. I stopped recording after we put all the rubber bands on because my phone was acting up. The second time, our lighting was bad. So we just decided to do it one more time. We decided to do a pumpkin in the spirit of October, in the spirit of Halloween. Just ruining my video!
3rd.
Oh, yep, Franklin the 3rd. Because I like to name my pumpkins. High five for thought.
Woo!
We got that right on the first try!
Yeah, high five for that's alright.
Oh, you're so funny!
Yeah, break it down.
We just might end up in the hospital.
Hospitals are fun.
You shouldn't doubt your dreams. I wonder what if pumpkin feels anything.
Probably. Pumpkins might think the same thing about us. With the amount of pain we're causing it. That's why they made a sledgehammer.
No, I want it to burst.
Here's Franklin the 2nd.
We did Franklin the 2nd a couple days ago.
How he did.
Moment of silence for Franklin the 2nd.
What is it? This?
Okay. You know what? Don't doubt. Improvision. Improvise, whatever.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Got that on video.
That was lovely.
Best spelling in the world, right?
Oh yes. Wait. Oh okay.
So you secured the bag and you secured all the weapons. Great job, guys. Miss Sparks, you're perfectly safe.
I got faith in you.
Come on.
Franklin.
Come on, Franklin.
Okay. What's gonna happen is if it goes to fly off, run. How many do you got right here?
I don't know. I just grabbed random amounts. He's gonna lick it and it's gonna fly up.
I don't. You gonna do something, Franklin? Come on, Franklin.
We got the same idea. I heard it.
Okay, so got it all. Perfect lighting, everything.
With 10 rubber bands to spare.
Our rubber band ball. Let's bring it closer for you to see. Yeah, that's how you make a rubber band ball.
Oh, she's nice. My head. Or if you like if you
Give it 4 thumbs up.
If you like seeing stuff explode, hit that subscribe button. Because I'm going to end up having to do more stuff that explodes.
Yeah, we're going to be doing more messier challenges for your enjoyment. and for you to laugh at us. And other videos as well.
Hasta la bye bye.
Bye!